it's very easy to say the will of God. What is the will of God from the beginning to the end? You have to decipher those going from here to there until the end. Para bang sine, there is a beginning and there is an end. Yun ang tinatawag kong A to Z of salvation. So when you come to know that, you have to live by it. You have to live by those. So you become Word made flesh. Buhay mo na ba? Binubuhay mo na. Kung nandoon ka na sa level na yon, you are like in the boarding area. Waiting, may boarding pass ka na, waiting for the announcement to board. While others, yung bulakbol, nandoon pa sa shopping at sa labas pa, matagal pa naman. So, pagdiwaliw muna tayo dito, mag-shopping. So, the department store is so far away from the airport. So, kung tinawag na, okay, flight 189 is ready to board. You're still in the shopping mall. And then those that are in the boarding are already there with all the necessary permits, passport, lahat, and you have a boarding pass. So when the time that the announcement was heard, you went directly to the plane. Habang sila nagsishopping pa. So they did not know. So yun din ang sinabi niyang the midnight call. When the 10 virgins, 5 of them were foolish, 5 were wise. Yung 5 with oil in their lamps are like the wise virgins who were waiting in the boarding room with already a boarding pass. So when the midnight call came, they all went in. Pero itong iba, nagtulog pa, okay pa man yan, okay lang. Matagal pa man yan. So, nalaman nila ngayon na nag-boarding na pala. They had to hurry. Pero the door was closed. Sinabi nila doon sa mga wise na, bigyan niyo kami ng oil. No, sapat lang ito sa amin. You make it your own. So, you're late. Ganon din ngayon. So, we who are ready are already in the boarding gate, waiting for the announcement to board. May mga boarding pass na tayo. While those in the denomination, busy pa sila sa debate nila, busy pa sila sa pagliliwaliw nila, bulakbol pa sila. This class to go to heaven is open on TV and I am the teacher, pero gilingug-lingugan lang ko. They just ignore me. Let them go. Pero pag-abot na sa boarding o glorification time, the call was made, where are they? They will just be surprised. They are waiting for the rapture, but they were left behind. All of those who are faithful in the kingdom just vanished. Like that. Into thin air. They were gone all of a sudden. Because lumipad na yung aeroplano. The rapture na tinatawag nila. That's our glorification. Then that will be the time they will realize that ito palang ministry ko is yun talaga ang totoo.